Why be bored when you can have VitaFun? VitaFun is the world's first high-tech motion pumping sex toys. Aris is a male masturbator that has TPE silicone inner layers for a super soft and realistic texture. It wraps you up in a way that no other sex toy can. The strong step motor will provide thrusts that'll blow your mind, with 7 levels of different intensities to suit your needs. And don't worry about the mess. The detachable and washable inner cup makes cleaning quick and effortless. And now for Ishtar, the female dildo that has 3 motors for realistic, intense pleasure. The step thrusting motor, coupled with the vibrating dildo and clitoris motor, will provide you an exquisitely pleasurable sensation that'll leave you breathless. Ishtar is also designed to mimic body temperature. The sensations from the warmth, pulsating thrusts, and clitoris vibrations will drive you over the edge. With integration over the VitaFun app, couples or dates around the world can control each other's pleasure with just a finger touch. Long distance is now a thing of the past. Aris can be paired with Ishtar, or you can connect 2 of the same toys. After rounds of internal experiments with VitaFun, we've received great feedback from early beta testers, as well as famous industry porn stars, who've all expressed their complete satisfaction. With the app, you can find users who are close by, record your VitaFun experience, and share the vibration patterns for others to download without concern. You'll also enjoy exclusive porn site-sponsored VR videos with a VR headset to give you the complete 4D experience.
I'm Luke, the co-founder. We created VitaFun in the hopes of revolutionizing the traditional sex toy market, aimed specifically at maximizing your pleasure and improving the sex lives of long-distance couples. We worked tirelessly for the development of Aris and Ishtar. Our team can be more excited to share VitaFun with you. Please join our mission of making VitaFun accessible to everyone.
It's time to begin the VitaFun.
Are you still shooting unsteady videos with your phone? Capture smooth and steady cinematic videos at a breeze with Regiet. Simply slide in your phone or GoPro and turn it on, and all the creation is at your fingertips. For many stabilizers, it is impossible to record videos using the underslung position without rotating to portrait mode. Regiet is the only stabilizer that can continue to record the video in this position. With its easy-to-use control panel, you can easily switch between photos and video mode, front and rear camera, and zoom in and out. Regiet can also charge your phone, or even better, plug a power bank so you can charge Regiet and your phone simultaneously, so that you can use our app to live stream all day. Within the Regiet app, we've built an auto track function. Simply drag any object on the screen and Regiet will take over. Create amazing slow motion and time-lapse videos. Shoot amazing panorama photos with Regiet. With a total of 3 different panorama modes, you can even shoot better photos than any other stabilizer you had. Regiet is the most advanced stabilizer to capture your life.
Magnetic. This product is based on cutting-edge, stable static charge technology. Magnetic can stick to almost any surface, easily, smoothly, and entirely.
Static and only static. There is no glue. So, you can move them and replace them as many times as you want, like never before.
This is not the future I was promised. Wi-Fi routers are dumb machines, and they make us act like dumb people.
Have you tried a
Yes, we unplugged it. These machines worked just fine a decade ago when I only had one computer. But now my house has more connected devices than I can even count. I want a modern Wi-Fi network that's reliable and consistent wherever I am in the house. A network that's fast and secure. A network that keeps kids like my nephew out of harm's way. Enter Luma, an intelligent Wi-Fi system that actually delivers on the promise of fast, reliable internet. It surrounds you with Wi-Fi using technology that was previously only available to large companies. You put one here, another one there. Immediately, you're up and running. We call it surround Wi-Fi. Luma's smart enough to know things like what devices you're using, what networks are interfering, and where potential problem spots are. So it can make smart decisions to get you the fastest data everywhere. And of course, no network should be without a good security system. I can easily grant people access to my network and just as easily revoke it. And speaking of that, I can rest easy knowing that Luma has modern parental controls, so I can limit the kid to G-level websites and monitor to make sure he's not up to any shenanigans. I can even set time limits or pause the internet, like during dinner time.
Yay, awesome.
Here, go plug this in. I love you. Speed, safety, security. This is the future I was promised. This is Luma.